The tail. Take out the corresponding yarn. Wrap the yarn around your finger. And then bring it up to index finger. Pinch the yarn tail with your thumb and middle finger. Work into a magic ring. Make loop around your middle finger. And pinch the crossover of the yarn with your thumb and middle finger. Insert hook into the loop on middle finger. Yarn under the hook and pull up loop. A magic ring is formed on the middle finger. In round 1, start with 1 chain stitch, and then work 4 single crochets. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. Remove the magic ring from the middle finger. Work 4 single crochets. Mark the first single crochet. Continue to work 3 more single crochets in the same way. Four single crochets are done. Pull the yarn tail tight to close the ring. Remove marker. And work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. Round 1 is done. In round 2, start with 1 chain stitch, and then work 4 increases. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. Then work 4 increases. Work 1 single crochet in the first stitch. Mark the first single crochet. And then work 1 more single crochet in the same stitch. That's 1 increase. Continue to work 3 more increases in the same way. We need to work 2 single crochets in each stitch. 4 increases are done. Skip these 2 small V shapes formed by the snip stitch and the chain stitch. Remove the marker and work 1 snip stitch in the mark stitch to join this round. Round 2 is done. The stitches for rounds 3 to 4 are the same. In rounds 3 to 4, work 1 chain stitch, add some crochets, and 1 snip stitch for each round. We'll demonstrate round 3. Work 1 chain stitch first. Then work 1 single crochet in each stitch. Finish a total of 8 single crochets in this round. Eight single crochets are done. Remove the marker and work 1 snip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. Round 3 is done. Please finish round 4 in the same way as round 3. Work 1 chain stitch, add some crochets, and 1 snip stitch in turn. Round 4 is done. In round 5, start with 1 chain stitch, then work set off 1 single crochet or increase for 4 times. Finally, end with 1 snip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. The first set. Work 1 single crochet in the first stitch. Mark the first stitch. In the next stitch, work 1 increase, which means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Once that is done, the second set, work 1 single crochet in the next stitch. In the next stitch, work 1 increase, which means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. We have demonstrated 2 sets. Please finish the rest of 2 sets by yourself. Work 1 single crochet and 1 increase as 1 set. Four sets are done. Remove the marker and work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. Round 5 is done. The stitches for rounds 6 to 10 are the same. In rounds 6 to 10, work 1 chain stitch, 12 single crochets, and 1 slip stitch for each round. We'll demonstrate round 6. Work 1 chain stitch first. Then work 1 single crochet in each stitch. Finish a total of 12 single crochets in this round. Remember to mark the first stitch. Let's continue. Twelve single crochets are done. Remove the marker and work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. Round 6 is done. Please finish rounds 7 to 10 in the same way as round 6 by yourself. Work 1 chain stitch, 12 single crochets, and 1 slip stitch for each round. Round 10 is done. Stretch the loop and remove the hook. Break yarn, leaving a long yarn tail. Pull the yarn tail out. The tail is completed.